Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to buy a domain and business email. So let's start. For this we will use easymails.com. It's a web page where you can buy it and create your email address for business or professional use as well as your domain. Not only use at gmail.com, or instead of this we can use info at yourcompanyname.com. This is very important to look professional for your company. So just go to email.com to find here the packages. We have four. I recommend you this one that is premium website and gives you the two things, that is the email address for business and your domain. We give you the 80% off with the promotion code in the description below, as well as we give you the 30-day money back guarantee. It means you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we give you the money back. And also the benefits is that you have secure checks, 40 mailboxes, your own website. And also guys, we give you the email address or domain in less than 2 minutes, and the chat support the 24 hours. If you have any doubt, we are there. So if you like that, just click on order, and then on order you will have here the final page for payment, that is 14.99 per month, and just click on add promotion code. Just write your promotion code, in this case is how to, just click on apply, and you will find here that we got the 80% off for a month. Just write your email address, then your domain, and your business email. Then just write your account information, month and year, and CVC, your cardholder name, and your billing address. Then just click here on save your information if you want to save. If not, don't worry, and then just subscribe. And that is how it works guys, and you will get your domain as well as your business address. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.